Alrighty guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be having a continuation on the nest feature and just doing a few practicals just to see how would we do it on an actual project. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload training videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, like I mentioned, this is a continuation on it. Previously, we covered, or we had an overview of what all the settings do for this feature, and today we're going to look at actual hands-on, how do we go about it. Now, this is a mini series, so I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. But now let's go to a new page. So let's say we've got this example here. So as you can see, we've got, maybe it's for a baby shower for a boy, because we've got the little bears and the blue dummies. But now you can also notice that there are different colors. So when we finally want to cut this, we want all the bears on one color, all the blues on another color. So how I would go about this is I would select all my blue, which is already in a group. Otherwise, you'll just keep shift in and select all of them manually with your mouse. And then I would cut this off the page, either right clicking, going cut, hitting Control X for cut, or we go to on top edit, cut, and go to a new page. Paste it in here, either right clicking saying paste, or we can go to object, edit, and then we go paste. Just move this to the edge there, and now we've got two pages with different colors. So let's start with the bears. So now we want to nest all of them first. So we go to our effect on top, and then we're going to go to nest. Now from these settings, I'm just going to put my view so we can see all the bears. So by default, what I would normally do, I would just leave settings all at standard and hit update preview, but with one exception. If I have a group, I'll make sure I click ungroup so it treats everything as ungrouped. And let's try this, see if we are lucky and it fits all the bears for us. There we go. So it has fit all the bears, and as we can see, we're not easily going to fit another bear in there, even if we tweak with these settings. Just fit that again. At least I won't easily be able to do that unless I scale some bears. Anyways, then what I'll do is I'll just click OK, and then this page is basically ready for cut. Go to preview, you can see your little shapes are there and they're all the same color. Then next up, we will go to the blue dummies, and then I'll go to the same. Go effect, then we go nest, and then once again click ungroup if you have groups, and then we click update preview. If we can see with this one, let's just nest it. I would say we could easily fit another dummy in there, as you can see. So now you can either just, after you said okay, duplicate it, or maybe two dummies, and make duplicates and try re-nest. But what I would personally do, I would just make copies of these and manually then try fit them in here. I'll be really surprised if I can get 3 in here. That's about right. So imagine that we've got extra 3 dummies in our space without even having to play with rotation. Easily try to rotate these ones, try to fit them even more snug. But yeah, you could potentially get another one in if you're really desperate. But yeah, so that's basically the practical view on it. So the nest really helps you to save resources and get more out of your resources. It also ups your production time, because now you can produce more with less resources. Then otherwise, that is it on our little mini series on the nest. If we head over to vinylcut.co.za, you guys will notice the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned earlier, that we have a variety of different softwares to cover. And also, if you don't want to manually navigate through all the videos, you can just go isolate your search on top here, type in what you're looking for, and hit the little magnifying glass button. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, even after that, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we will make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.